traveling abroad and can't find Revenger on Netflix anymore? Revenger may not be on Netflix in your current location, but it's still available on Netflix Japan. The fastest and easiest way to watch Revenger is with a VPN. VPNs, or virtual private networks, are made up of hundreds of private servers located in different countries around the world. All you need to do is download your VPN, find Japan in the server list, and click to connect. I'm going to use ExpressVPN to show you how to watch Revenger on Netflix. It's my top choice for accessing geo-block shows because it has servers in Japan and more than 90 other countries, so you'll be able to stream quality content from almost anywhere. Now I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN to watch Revenger. It's really easy. All you need to do is click on the link below to go to ExpressVPN site. Click on Get ExpressVPN, then choose the plan that works best for you. Once your purchase has gone through, copy your activation code. Then, choose the right download for your device, download it, and run the installation wizard. When it's finished installing, paste in your activation code, and that's it. You're ready to go. From here, you'll be able to choose a server location. For this tutorial, we'll be connecting to a Japan server to access the full library of Netflix content. In the selected location box, you'll find 3 dots. Click on them to open ExpressVPN location list, then click on all locations and scroll through the region list to find Japan. Alternatively, you can search for Japan by typing it into the search box. Click on Japan, then click the big Connect button. It takes just seconds to connect. Once you're connected to the Japan server, open your Netflix app or go to the Netflix website. You should now be able to access the full library of content, including the Revenger movies. Search for Revenger and click play. As you can see, it just works. That's thanks to ExpressVPN reliable connections, fast speeds, and ability to unblock almost anything. That's all there is to it. With ExpressVPN and a Japan server, you can now watch Revenger on Netflix. Thanks for watching and happy streaming. If you want to learn more about ExpressVPN, don't miss our full review. If this video has helped you, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.